Tlaloc, the fearsome deity, was a prominent god in the Aztec pantheon. He held dominion over rain, lightning, and thunder. The Aztecs believed he controlled the life-giving waters that sustained their crops. Tlaloc's image is easily recognizable with his goggle-like eyes and fangs. He was a powerful force of nature, both benevolent and dangerous. Tlaloc brought the rain needed for agriculture. He could also unleash destructive storms, floods, and droughts. Tlaloc's association with rain made him a crucial deity. Rain ensured the success of crops like maize, beans, and squash. These crops were essential for the Aztec civilization's survival. Thus, Tlaloc played a vital role in the cycle of life and death. Abundant harvest meant prosperity and well-being for the people. Tlaloc's ability to provide or withhold rain gave him immense power. The Aztecs sought to appease Tlaloc to ensure a bountiful harvest. The Aztec honored Tlaloc with elaborate rituals and offerings. These ceremonies often took place in temples built on mountains. The Aztecs believed mountains were sacred places closer to the heavens. Offerings to Tlaloc included precious objects, food, and even human sacrifices. The Aztecs believed that sacrifices, particularly of children, were necessary to appease Tlaloc. They believed that tears symbolized rain. Therefore, they often sacrificed children to evoke Tlaloc's compassion and bring rain. Tlaloc's importance extended beyond agriculture. The Aztecs saw him as a protector of rulers and warriors. They believed he provided strength and courage in battle. Tlaloc's association with water also connected him to the underworld. It was believed that those who died from water-related deaths joined his watery paradise. Modern interpretations of Tlaloc often focus on his ecological significance. Scholars are studying his role in Aztec beliefs about the environment and climate. Understanding Tlaloc provides insights into the Aztec worldview. His story sheds light on their relationship with nature, spirituality, and their place in the cosmos.